Hey, it's Charles. Thinking of buying a Tesla? Hold on, because there are some surprising things you should definitely know before you sign on the dotted line. Whether you're dazzled by their technology, attracted by their sleek designs, or just tired of gas stations, Tesla has undeniably changed the game. But what if I told you there are hidden factors that almost nobody talks about? First, let's talk about range anxiety. Sure, Tesla's cars promise impressive mileage, but real-world conditions can drastically affect your range. Imagine this: you're planning a relaxing road trip, confident in your Tesla's advertised range, only to find your battery draining faster than expected. Sounds stressful, right? But here's the twist. There's a simple way to accurately predict your Tesla's range before you ever set out on the road. Stick around. I'll share exactly how in just a bit. But first, another crucial point: Tesla's build quality. Now don't get me wrong, Tesla's cars look incredible, futuristic even. However, quality control issues have plagued some models, especially early deliveries. Misaligned panels, uneven paint finishes, and occasional rattles can appear. Does this mean every Tesla is flawed? Definitely not, but should you be vigilant when taking delivery of your new Tesla? Absolutely. Later, I'll give you a practical checklist to ensure your Tesla is as perfect as possible the moment you pick it up. Next, let's address charging infrastructure. One of Tesla's biggest advantages has always been their extensive supercharger network. But here's something few mention: charging congestion. Picture this scenario: you pull into a supercharger station expecting a quick charge, only to find all stalls occupied, leaving you stuck waiting. Frustrating, right? But wait until you hear the insider tips I've got to help you avoid charging bottlenecks altogether. Speaking of hidden details, what about Tesla's Autopilot? It's groundbreaking tech, no doubt. Autopilot can ease the stress of long drives and even help you avoid accidents. But there's a big misconception here. Autopilot doesn't mean fully self-driving, at least not yet. Many Tesla owners mistakenly believe they can completely relax, leading to dangerous situations. But here's what most don't know: there's a right and wrong way to safely utilize Autopilot, and I'll explain exactly how to do it properly. Now, let's dive into cost of ownership. Tesla cars can save you significant money on fuel and maintenance compared to traditional gas-powered cars, right? But there's an often overlooked factor: battery degradation. Batteries lose capacity over time, reducing your vehicle's range and ultimately its value. How much range loss should you realistically expect, and how can you minimize battery degradation? I'll reveal these critical secrets soon, but before we cover that, let's quickly talk about something surprising: Tesla's insurance costs. Here's a shocker: many Tesla owners report unexpectedly high premiums, sometimes significantly above what you'd pay for similar luxury cars. Why does this happen? And more importantly, what can you do to find the best insurance rates for your Tesla? Believe it or not, there are tricks to substantially reduce your insurance bill. Keep watching, and I'll share those with you too. Finally, there's one major question Tesla enthusiasts often overlook: resale value. Electric vehicles, particularly Teslas, are generally known for strong resale value, but lately, things have started changing. Increasing competition, evolving technology, and fluctuating market demands can dramatically impact how much your Tesla is worth after just a few years of ownership. Want to know exactly how to maximize your resale value? Stay tuned, because I've got expert insights that'll keep your wallet full. Now, here's the big picture. Owning a Tesla isn't just about driving an advanced electric car. It's a lifestyle choice filled with benefits, but also some hidden challenges. But what's the absolute best way to ensure your Tesla ownership experience meets your expectations? In a moment, I'll share crucial tips every potential Tesla owner needs to hear to avoid common pitfalls and fully enjoy all the perks of Tesla ownership. Ready to learn how to truly master the Tesla ownership experience and avoid costly mistakes? Keep watching, because I'm about to reveal the essential insights no Tesla owner or future owner can afford to miss. Let's start with the critical issue of accurately predicting your Tesla's real-world range. Here's the secret Tesla enthusiasts rarely share openly: weather conditions, driving speed, terrain, and even how you use climate control dramatically impact your battery's range. So how do experienced Tesla drivers accurately plan their trips without stress? Easy. They use specialized third-party apps designed specifically for Tesla owners. Apps like ABRP or Tesla FI help you calculate exact energy usage, charging stops, stops, and realistic driving scenarios, removing any guesswork from your road trip planning. Trust me, once you start using these, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Now remember those build quality concerns. Here's that simple checklist I promised earlier to ensure your Tesla is flawless at delivery. First, always inspect your vehicle outdoors in bright daylight, not inside the showroom where lighting can hide imperfections. Carefully check the panel alignment around the doors, hood, and trunk. Open and close everything multiple times, ensuring smooth operation. Examine the paint carefully for overspray, scratches, or uneven coloring. Finally, don't be afraid to note even small issues and have Tesla document them before leaving the dealership, because once you drive away, fixing cosmetic problems could be complicated and costly. Back to charging infrastructure, how can you sidestep frustrating congestion at busy Tesla superchargers? Veteran Tesla owners have a clever strategy. They rely on superchargers just outside major cities or slightly off popular routes, stations that are rarely crowded. Tesla's in-car navigation system conveniently shows supercharger occupancy, helping you select less busy charging locations. Plus, charging your Tesla overnight at home using a level 2 charger ensures you wake up to a full battery every day, minimizing reliance on public chargers entirely. Simple tips like these can genuinely transform your ownership experience. Next up, Autopilot. Yes, Tesla's driving assistance tech is impressive, but remember, it's not fully autonomous. So how do you safely maximize Autopilot's benefits? Always remain alert, keeping your hands near the wheel and eyes on the road, ready to intervene if necessary. Regularly update your Tesla's software, as each update significantly improves Autopilot safety and functionality. Importantly, never let overconfidence replace your attention. Remember, Autopilot is designed to assist, not replace, you as the driver. Follow these rules and Autopilot becomes your greatest driving companion rather than a potential hazard. Battery degradation. Let's break this down clearly. Expect your Tesla's battery to lose about 10% of its capacity within the first 5 years, with degradation slowing significantly afterward. However, here's how you minimize that loss. Avoid frequent fast charging, which generates excess heat and stress on the battery. Also, keep your daily charge limit around 80 to 90% unless you need maximum range for long trips. Small adjustments like these can help maintain your Tesla's range and resale value for years. Speaking of costs, let's get back to insurance. Why do Teslas often cost more to insure? Mainly because of their advanced tech, expensive parts, and repair complexity. But here's the trick. Shop around for insurance specifically designed for electric vehicles. Tesla itself now offers insurance options in many regions, usually priced lower due to the company's intimate understanding of their cars. You'll be surprised at the savings you can find by simply researching EV-friendly insurers or directly using Tesla's in-house insurance products. Finally, maximizing your Tesla's resale value isn't as tricky as it seems. To keep your Tesla's value high, opt for features and colors that appeal to the widest audience. Think neutral colors like white, silver, or black, along with popular features like Autopilot and premium interiors. Additionally, regularly maintaining your Tesla, keeping software updated, and properly documenting your car's history significantly boosts resale value. Future buyers are especially reassured by comprehensive maintenance records, so never underestimate the power of good documentation. So there you have it, every critical detail you need to consider before buying your Tesla. From avoiding hidden pitfalls to optimizing every aspect of ownership, you're now fully equipped to make the smartest, most informed Tesla decision possible. Ready to drive electric with complete confidence? Then buckle up, hit the road, and enjoy your journey.